Well, guys, we're out again fishing today. We're at a place that we call Big Rock on the long side of the river here, but that's just because that's what we've called it. We know where we're going to go. And floodwaters are down. The river is nice. The hubby is out already, and we're going to see if we can catch some fish. It's overcast. It's cool. It's in the lower 70s when we got out of the car, and slightly misting, which is kind of nice for the fish. So it should be good fishing weather. We'll see what happens. Well, we've been going down the creek for a while, and the only thing I've caught is 2 phone calls. Who'd have thought, being out like this, you'd be catching cell service? But the creek here that we normally would fish, this here, right in here someplace, it used to be the only place that was rapids. All of this was shallow, and the rapids were not there, and the creek is much wider than it used to be. So the flooding this past spring has changed things a lot. Still haven't caught anything yet, but we're still working our way down this creek to see what we can find. Well, we have gone about, half a mile or so, and we're finally starting to see signs of life up here on this beach, which used to be sand. It is now gravel. We're seeing some freshwater shells from the mollusks and mussels and such, and some crayfish skeletons, and some bones evidently off of some critters like deer and something else. I don't know. I found a huge scapula. But anyhow, we're still fishing. Some signs of life, but not much yet. So, as they say, to be continued. Okay, so the husband's down here, and right over there, he has had one twice hit his big O, it's kind of like a Rapala type of thing, but we're just going to film for just a minute and see if we can actually catch him catching it. I think if he irritates it enough, he'll just bite it anyway. But we may have some issues. Down the river there is a little bit is Miss Goose, and she has not moved. She may not be happy that we're here. She probably has eggs somewhere. But we're just going to film here for a couple minutes and see if we can catch him. But you'll just have to take my word for it that he missed 2 right there. Just hit it and then spit it out. So this is the power of water. If you can see, well, right in there, the channel starts. This used to be one large knoll, but the creek flooding has washed it out and flattened it off and made it bigger. That's what floodwaters do. So this is quite interesting because this is where the floodwaters went through, and I swear to goodness, it looks like a bulldozer just went right on through. It is so flat down at the bottom, and the banks here are about 5 to 6 feet, and the gravel would be perfect for somebody's driveway. But the only thing that we have caught so far is pictures of Mr. Goose down there squawking at us, but we're still working it. Signs of life are kind of sparse, but we're going to still keep working and seeing what we can find. Eyes are different. Can you see the teeth on it? I don't know what this thing is, but it's got teeth. I am not sticking my fingers down it now. Okay.
That's what you have a tool for.
Uh-huh.
Now, you can...
I got it.
It's a good fish too.
It is. What the heck is it? Something with teeth. Okay. Something with teeth. Something with a lot of teeth.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, that's
I got a recording.
My toothy critter. Dang, that sucker's huge. I am not picking it up by the belly, but I am going to put him back.
Okay. Tool in one hand.
Yes.
Let me have your rod.
Okay. Oh, you want to have that? Okay.
Now, put your hand under its belly.
Huh?
Take your other hand, put it under his belly, and hold him up flat.
Hold him up flat?
Yeah, so get a measurement.
Ah!
There you go.
He's got scales.
That's right. Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Okay.
Okay, now the toothy critter's got to go back. Go away, go away. He's staying right there. Okay, right there is the pike I just caught. He's still laying there. He's about 5 feet from me. Let's see if I can zoom in here. I don't know if he'll let me zoom or not. Maybe not. There he is. If you can see him or not. Anyhow, that's the pike I caught. He's still sitting there. But he's doing fine. He is well and alive and back where he belongs in the river. Well, that's 2 fish for the day. Praise the Lord. That's awesome. Oops, he's going to disappear. Husband's walking upstream. He got a fish! We finally landed one. This is the same hole the pike came out of.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. Put him up next to your hand, honey, so we know how big he is. Look at that. He's just a baby. Put your lunker away, honey.
2 grams.
2 grams. Bye-bye, fishy.
That was funny.
Okay, you just lost one. You gonna try to get him?
He won't hit it again.
You don't think so?
No, he won't. It'll be a different fish hit it this time.
Yeah, the other one was cute.
It was, to say the least. It was a yearling, that's what it was.